Email from Mera Software Services. I'd like to tell you about a social collaboration tool that we built for volunteers across America. For Mera, we're a 25-year-old software company headquartered in Silicon Valley with development centers in Eastern Europe. We are a telecom shop developing software in mobile, voice over IP, IoT, and many other places. We also give a variety of awards every year. And at our client base, you can see that we have a large list of American and European clients, some of whom have been with us for over a decade. Let's talk about Report It. I was hired to develop a tool for our community after running through our neighborhood park. I asked the Parks Department if they would like to have a tool that the community could use to report problems. They said they would like one. I investigated if there were already many apps in the App Store. There were, but in fact, they're not free, and they were quite pricey for public institutions such as parks and cities to use them. So we decided to build our own. We designed it to work in parks, but quickly realized that it could be used for really any neighborhood group, any volunteer group, scouting organizations, and even first responders. The tool for problem management, but we soon realized that it could also be used for any geographic activity, including outdoor nature sharing. Features are that users will drop pins on a map, they can add pictures and text. Administrators of the team can actually set geofences around areas of interest. And there are a whole variety of filters that can be used to examine the reports as they arrive. Technology overview, Microsoft Azure cloud-based solution, and it's a browser-based tool. So the interface works on tablets, mobiles, and PCs. Highly visual-oriented and organized into large teams and then users among teams. That an institution, for example, such as the Boy Scouts, can actually create teams that are based on scout troops. Everything can be monitored by someone to make sure that the messages and content upholds the standards of that organization. It's email-based, and I'll show you what I mean by that, but essentially you can trade reports through email to make it very simple for users to manage these issues. Reports can be exported to Excel, and an archive is maintained forever. So let's talk now about the tool. I'm going to go to the website and show you the tool in progress. Out of the tool, now you can see we have two geofences. These are used for the Boy Scouts. One's been assigned to Troop 2 and one's 342. Over here, I'm going to set some filters and say, okay, I'd like to see any of my major reports. I can also see medium, and I can also see minor. Let's go look at one particular report. This is exactly how the tool would look on a mobile phone or on a tablet. I'm going to click on a report here, storm drain blocked at Los Gatos. I can click on that report and see that it was created by Joe White. I can investigate further. I can edit the report. Look at the report's location. I can look at the severity. I can decide if it's the right category. I can change it if I want. And then I can look down and see who's available on my team to manage this problem. And let's say that I want to assign it to Benny Goodman. Simply choose his name and send him assign it, and it will be saved and he'll receive an email. For example, if I were to then look into my mail, this is exactly what would happen. So Benny Goodman could be out and about on his mobile phone and get an email, and he would be able to immediately just click on this report and go right to the website and interact and decide how to solve this problem. There are basic features, but let's see if I can. This is an organizational level. This is an organization we created for the Boy Scouts, and you can see that they've created different troops and assigned them to different teams, and I can go to one team and I can see who are the scouts that have been assigned to the team. So this is a very quick summary of the tool. Right now, it is available for free for any organization in the United States to use, and we hope you enjoyed our presentation. Thank you.